Could you also tell me, how do I interpret my own radon test results and when is the right time to take action?
Well, not just for your own, if you're doing it yourself, but also if you have a professional at your house, it's good to know what the radon and acceptable radon levels are. So when the technician is talking to you, you kind of have a great idea of what's going on. So in Canada, we measure radon levels in becquerels. And the government of Canada recommends an action plan at over 200 becquerels. But in the United States, they recommend an action plan at over 148. Here's what you want to do. If you're at home test, you've sent it to the lab and it's coming back at above 200 becquerels, you've obviously done a long term test. That's giving you a pretty good idea of what your exposure rate is. So at that point, I would contact a certified radon mitigator to explore options in your house. Now, there's always lots of different options, and it's best to talk to a certified professional that can tell you about what you can do and how you can further reduce your levels here.